One of the new features in FSB7 is the ability to automatically pin stuff to a Pinterest board. However, in order to use this new feature, your website is going to need to use an SSL. This is a secure server certificate to the point where you should be able to type in HTTPS and then your website name to be able to reach your web page. You can see up here that my site is secured. However, this is all really happening outside of the Fresh Store Builder website itself. This is actually something that's going on your hosting account. So before you decide to dive into Pinterest using Fresh Store Builder, before you decide to start making changes that I'm going to be teaching you in this video to set up your website in this manner, you need to actually go through your hosting provider first and find out what it's going to take to get what is called an SSL. In most cases, they are going to charge some type of annual fee for this kind of a website feature. The actual setup process for getting that installed, though, unfortunately is not something I can really cover in this video. Depending on the hosting provider you're using and the type of web hosting account you might have, that process can be drastically different. However, for the average Amazon affiliate that is likely to be using shared website hosting or possibly Fresh Store Builder's managed hosting, all you need to do is contact your web host and they can direct you through it. In a lot of cases, it'll just involve purchasing it and they can even get it all set up for you. You need to be able to visit your website, your Fresh Store Builder website though, using the HTTPS address and to have the little padlock showing up in your browser before you proceed on with any of the steps I'm about to show you. If you don't verify that you can access that site and that it's padlocked using the HTTPS version, you might break your Fresh Store Builder website going through what I'm about to show you here. So to set up your SSL to be used with the Fresh Store Builder system, all you really need to do to get started with is to go into Tools, then change parameters, then go to Store Settings, and you'll see the page that I'm on right here. And under Site URL, just add in the S after HTTP. Now we're going to save the changes. Finally, we're going to go to Tools again and click on Migrate to HTTPS now. This is going to allow us to update our website. So right here, if you have recently changed to an SSL, run this updater. You can also reverse this process by essentially working backwards. All I need to do right now, though, is click on Update Database References, and you can see this is going to update it for me. Now, my website is running properly on the secure certificate. So I can then proceed on through setting up everything else as far as the auto Pinterest features with Fresh Store Builder once these steps are completed. One final thing worth pointing out though, if you have already set up your website at this point and you've visited some of the live pages on it, you may need to delete your cache. Pretty simple to do. Tools, delete cache. This will simply ensure that the proper pages are being served up on the public side of your website using the HTTPS address.